Hello students, today we discuss about the continuation of evolution, that is already we said in last class evidences for evolution. In that few more points related to evidences for evolution. In this, some of these connecting links are present. That means the organism which present both different characteristic features. One organism present both different characteristic features. That means that organism at present also it must be living. That connecting link and all. Then whereas missing link, that organism already extincted, even though it possesses earlier both characteristic features and all. First we discuss about that is connecting links where it is present and all. That is Bellano glasses. In that one, Bellano glasses connecting link, which are connecting between notochord as well as chordates and all. That means non-chordate. That especially echinoderm, echinodermata as well as chordata, Bellano glasses. Similarly, coelocarp or Latimeria. It is one type of the fish. It connected between fishes as well as amphibians and all. Fishes as well as amphibians and all. Then related to chimera. It is connecting link between cartilage fish as well as bony fishes and all. Then Tinoplana. It is connecting between Cilicerata as well as Platyhelminthes. Cilicerate as well as Platyhelminthes in this one. Then related to duck-billed platypus or Ornithorhynchus. Apart from this one, Echidna, spiny anteater. That is, both are in egg-laying mammal. It connecting between reptiles and mammals and all. It connecting between. It is egg-laying mammal. It is connecting both reptiles as well as mammals and all. Then Proterospongia. Between protozoa as well as porifera. Apart from this one, that Peripatus, it is connecting between Annelida as well as Arthropoda. Peripatus, Annelida as well as Arthropoda. Then Euglena, between animals as well as plants and all. These connecting links, apart from this one, Neurospora are related to Neopilina. Neopilina, it connecting link between Annelida as well as mollusca. Neopilina between Annelida as well as molluscan organisms. Apart from this one, Spinodon between amphibians as well as reptiles. Spinodon, amphibian as well as reptiles and all. Apart from this one, lungfish. This lungfish is connected between fishes as well as amphibia. Then this is Protopterus, commonly scientifically called as Protopterus. In that particular African region, it identified and all. So Protopterus, lungfish and all. Then some of the viruses connecting link between non-living as well as living organism. Between non-living thing as well as living thing, that is the connecting link. So this connecting link, whatever connecting link, the first one, these are the connecting links. These particular connecting links, still it must be survivable. Some of the missed links are present. These missed links already extincted, even though it possesses both the dual characteristic feature. That means ancestral as well as present organism, whatever evaluated organism, both characteristic feature present. For example, in missing link, Archaeopteryx, it has present that missing link, that Archaeopteryx. It is a missing link between reptiles as well as birds and all. What are the reptile characteristic feature? That free caudal bone as well as non-pneumatic bones as well as weak sternum. The beak, it is present, teeth containing of that particular upper and lower jaw. All these characteristic features related to reptilian characteristic feature. Apart from this one, in its hind limbs related to look like a claws. How it is present in that reptilian characteristic feature. Similarly, what are the body characteristic features of Archaeopteryx? The body covered with feathers as well as upper and lower jaw. It modifies as the beak-like structure as well as forelimbs. It converted as the wings and all. All these particular characteristic features are birds. That means Archaeopteryx already extincted, even though it is present both reptilian as well as bird characteristic features and all. Similarly, in plants also, Eridosaurus, it is a connecting, that is a missed link related to fern as well as seed plants and all. Then, apart from this one, Belanosaurus, or Basilosaurus. Or anyone remember Basilosaurus? In that Basilosaurus, it is connecting link between aquatic mammals as well as terrestrial ancestors and all. It is aquatic mammals as well as terrestrial ancestors, that is related to Basilosaurus or Belanosaurus, otherwise called as Belanosaurus and all. That is there is related to some missing links and all. Then, apart from this one, some of the, with the help of these evidences, they must be studied regarding related to that particular, the evolution related to horse, evolution of the horse and all, evolution of the horse. Why? Because sometimes in previous examination they asked related to evolutionary of the horse and all. With the help of particular evidences, they identified that evolutionary of this horse and all. Evolutionary of the horse. Then, evolution of the horse. No. Now, related to evolution of the horse, that is one scientist explained about this evolution of the horse, that is O.C. Marsh in 1879. In O.C. Marsh explained about related to the evolution of these horses and all. In this one, what is the primitive horse? What is the ancestral primitive horse and all? It is Eohippus. Eohippus or Hercopterus or Hercotheres. Eohippus or Hercotheres, this particular horse, first primitive ancient horse, it was evoluted in that Eocene epoch. Eocene epoch era, among 60 million years ago. It is normally this particular horse height related to only 30 centimeters height. That is related to size. Centimeter height. It looked like a fox-like structure. In that one, regarding related to that particular 4 feet as well as hind feet. 4 feet completely present, 5 fingers. Then in that first finger only, it like a split finger. 4 feet, all fingers. That is 5 fingers are present. All fingers are functional, but except one, that is the first finger as a split finger. That first finger as a split one. What is the by split? Split means reduced and unutilized. It is not at all utilized. It is regarding related to non-functional and all. Split means reduced, non-functional, related to 4 particular feet and all. Related to hind feet. Related to hind feet, here it is present, there is a 4 functional. Here 2, 3, 4, that 5. All are functional. 1 is the split finger. Here 4 functional. Here also 3, 4, 5. Especially the 3 will be functional. Remaining regarding related to, that is 2, 3, 4 only. That is 1 and 5. These 2 are splint. That is reduced non-functional and all. In this, here very important, which particular period, how many million years ago it is originated and all. For understanding purpose, that how it is present, it is the height of that fox like according to its shoulder and all. Then in this one, molars are not at all developed and all. Their teeth, especially in molars, it is not at all developed and all. It is not well developed and all. Only the smooth and soft vegetarian food ready to take and all. Then related to from Eohippus, the second one, that is Mesohippus. Mesohippus, it is intermediate horse. Related to intermediate horse, there is nothing but Mesohippus. In this, it is originated from Eohippus and all. In this one, that Oligo Epoch era, that is 40 million years ago. That height, what is that specific height? It will be more than this one, that means 60 centimeters. Centimeter height up to in its shoulder, it is a modern sheep-like structure, it is present. Then, modern sheep-like one, it is present and related to in its 4 feet as well as 8 feet, only functional 2, 3, 4. Here, that both 4 feet and 8 feet, 3 functional, only 3 functional one, that is the 2, 3, 4. But in this specific one, the middle of that particular fingers related to 4 feet, related to toe, hind feet and all, it is a very elongated one, very enlarged one, because of maximum that particular height or the particular weight it must bear in that particular, the middle of that particular finger and all, functional one. Remaining, it must be act as the particular splints and all. Remaining, it act as splint-like structure, splints only. It is not at all functional and all. It is completely reduced and all. That is specific Mesohippus and all. Then from Mesohippus, it originated that Meryhippus or Merychippus, or it is regarding related to Miocene era, Miocene epoch era, about 25 million years ago. It is the height, it is present up to 100 centimeters. The size 100 centimeters. It is also little bit development of that teeth and all. Then 100, it look like the smaller size of the particular pony and all. It resembles to the smaller size of the pony. It is also look like a horse-like structure, but it is a smaller size. Little bit elongated their head and all when you compare to earlier. It is originated from Mesohippus. Then here also the functional, it is present 2, 3, 4, but splints completely absent. Here that is important, that splints are absent. Whereas 2, 3, 4, if it is fingers, if it is toes, 2, 3, 4, only it is functional and all. Among this one, the middle one, little bit elongated, enlargement and all. Here also, molars, little bit sharpening edges and all. Sharpening edges. But regarding related to, by taking of vegetarian food and all, it is helpful. Then, from Mesohippus or Merychippus or Meryhippus and all, it originated related to Plicohippus and all. Plicohippus, that is the Pliocene epoch era, among 10 million years ago. It is 120 centimeter. The height will be the 120 centimeter. It is a moderate pony. It resembles to the moderate pony. Here, the first, that is important. What is the first ancestral horse which possess only single toe and arm? That is, they have given different options like related to Eohippus, Mesohippus, Meryhippus, Pliohippus. Your option will be the Pliohippus. Because of here the third finger, if it is 4 feet, similarly the third toe related to indifid, it modifies into the only single toe, remaining the adjacent part of 2 and 4, it becomes underneath part of the skin as a splints and all. The rest of the only single toed, that particular, but remaining 2 and 4, it is present as a splints. That these splits are present underneath part of the skin and all. That remaining 2 and 4 were splints. These are present inside the skin, the first part of that particular legs and arm, but little bit elaborated. Neck also little bit elongated, head also little bit elongated, but little bit well developed regarding related to their teeth and all for mastication of the food material. Then the modern, the present day horse. What is the present day horse? From where it is originated? It is originated from Pliohippus, the modern horse. That is Equus and all. It is Pleistocene era. It is 9 to 10 lakh years. 9 to 10 lakh years ago it formed and all. The height will be the up to 150 centimeters. 150 centimeters, well developed into the head, little bit elaborated, elongated, as well as neck also. It must be height up to shoulder level and all. It is also similar manner. The third as well as related to finger in that 4 are related to toe, related to hind feet and all. Remaining 2 and 4 act as the splint and all. Here, well developed molars with cementum, with enamel, that particular mastication, grinding of that particular food material or ruminating of that specific type of the food material and all, well developed and all, related to respect remaining all as usual, it is present and all. But important sequence order, from which particular that specific horse, it must be evaluated from ancestral one. So if you remember that order, that particular order, then automatically one can understood and answered in that exam point of view and all. Then related to what is meant by that parallel evolution. What is meant by parallel evolution? Related to that parallel evolution. Parallel evolution in that meaning the convergent evolution. Whatever the convergent evolution, very close related convergent evolution of the species. So very close related convergent evolution of the species, if it is present, that is such type of that particular organisms, it consider as a parallel evolution, the closely related resembles of the convergent evolutionary organisms. For example, the toes regarding related to in that the specific type of the one among these particular the toes which are present into the horse, the single toe related to horse, as well as related to one more which are present in the ruminant organisms, which are present into the two-toed, that particular two-toed in their fore as well as hind feet are present and all. Rest of these other ruminants and all. Or otherwise, any one other example like antelope, one among these deer, any other one. For example, the deer has present two-toed. Similarly, horse has present that single-toed feet. But along with this one, that the specific two splint, that reduced non-functional splints as usual present, but these are convergent, very closely related, that specific effect and all. Then apart from this one, what is it by adaptive evolution? What is it by adaptive evolution? The development of different functions of species. Then what is it by adaptive radiation or adaptive evolution? Adaptive evolution that is related to another subtopic. In that one, in that adaptive radiation, the development, differentiation or different functions, development, differentiation of the functions in different species, one common ancestor. So, with one common ancestral organism, different types of these species, various functionally, various habitat, it must be present and all. So, different functionally, it must be present and all. Different functionally, it must be present. So, development, differentiation, the functions, different species with a common ancestor. That is, we present as this one, adaptive evolution. Who is the scientist explained about adaptive, that particular evolution and all? That is Osborn in 1902. That is Osborn, 1902, explained about adaptive evolution and all. In this one, what is the best example for adaptive evolution? Already said, it is related to the homology, homologous organism. That means divergent evolution, it related to adaptive. But some of this one, convergent also related to adaptive. But maximum divergent evolution. Best example, Darwin finches. That example, Darwin finches as well as locomotion in mammals. Locomotion related to in mammals, as well as Australian marsupials, as well as placental mammals. It is also one among this one, convergency, adaptive convergence. Very important, adaptive convergence and all. Apart from this one, the Australian marsupials, the Australian, that particular radiation, so all these are related to example of adaptive evolution and all. In this one, Darwin finches. But one scientist, David Lack scientist, actually Darwin in Galapagos Island observed related to the dark colored small sized or some of these large sized birds and all. But David Lack, they must have kept name as Darwin finches. Darwin finches did not kept as a name as Darwin and all. That David Lack must have kept the name as Darwin finches and all. In this Darwin finches, there are 13 different species he identified in Galapagos Islands and all. In this one, he must have studied related to specifically 6 different species and all. 6 different according to in its food habitat. All are with a common ancestor. What is the common ancestry of the particular finches and all? Related to seed-eating bird. That is important in statement level of questions. So, what is the common ancestry characteristic features of Darwin finches? Your answer will be the seed-eating finch and all. In that seed-eating finch, while regarding related to radiation, while regarding related to its food habits, regarding related to in it must be dispersal, different habitat and all. According to environmental condition, according to natural selection, according to in its fittest nature and all, it must evaluate, it must change their food habits and all. Then automatically their morphologically it must change according to their food habits and all. In this one, among these Darwin finches and all, some of these one very large that land finches are present. Some of these one cactus land finches are present. Some of these one warbler finches. Some are related to that vegetarian finches and all. Then apart from this one insectivorous finches, as well as apart along this one that woodpecker finches and all. Like these 6 different finches he must study carefully. Among this one 4 very closely, very different specific variations observable and all. Among this one among this one, this is cactus, that cactus finches and all. That is land finches. So it eats cactus food material and all. It is related to shape of the beak and all. It is the different shapes of beaks related to finches and all. This is one among this one. Then second one, little bit variable. That is warbler. Warbler finches. Warbler in that sense, little bit singing. Some of the bird which make little bit singing or musical sounds and all, based on musical sound. Then warbler finch and all. Then little bit smaller size. Are related to cactus only, but little bit smaller. It must be reduced and all because of vegetarian finch and all. Then another one, insectivorous. It is also tree finches. The insectivorous. Little bit sharp edged beak and all. Upper, little bit sharp and all. Insectivorous. Or insect eating finch. It is also lives on trees only. That is woodpecker. That is also which are present on the plants only. Like that differently according to in different. All are common seed eating because of their food habits, because of their dispersal. It enters, it dispersal, it radiated, then it changed. Whatever changed character, it must be inherited to the progeny also. That is related to locomotion of the mammals. Almost all mammals, the same, that particular anatomical structures, the particular anatomical structures are present, but different locomotory parts and all. Some are climbing, some are leaping, or regarding related, some are running, some are slowly walking, according to their food habits, according to their that particular one. Related to mammals, for example, ruminants, with the help of not only two, with the help of four limbs, two as well as four limbs as well as hind limbs, with the help of all these one. But human being, with the help of two, not to four, may not be utilized, all these limbs and all. Like that, according to their that habitat and all, according to their structurally and all, they must be changed. That is locomotion. In that mammals also one among the example. Then placental as well as Australian mammals. It is also related to convergent. It is also convergency regarding related to this one. The placental mammals. What are the placental mammals are present? Related to moles are present, as well as that anteater. Moles as well as anteater, as well as the mouse. Apart from this one, then lemur, flying squirrel, then bobcat, as well as wolf. Some of these examples of the that placental mammals, then related to marsupial, then Australian marsupial. Australian marsupial related to moles, marsupial mole. Related to anteater, numbat or anteater. Here in this anteater, regarding related to spiny anteater, it must be covered all along with the particular body nature and all. It is a rigid part of this one. It is a spiny anteater. It is banded anteater. Then mouse, it is related to marsupial mouse. Then lemur, spotted, it is cuscus. Then flying squirrel, related to that flying phalanger. Bobcat, Tasmanian tiger cat, Tasmanian tiger cat. Wolf, Tasmanian wolf and all. Like this it is present. What is the similar functional character? Why? Because different structurally both are the different. But what is the functionally similar? Why? Because it is a convergent evolutionary. Convergent means similar function. What is the similar function? Related to moles. It is regarding related to, it makes into the burrowing nature. The common characteristic function. What is the common characteristic function? There is the burrowing of the soil and all. Anteater, name itself present. Ant-eating. Apart from digging of the soil. Here mouse, that is a rodent-like structure, both are present. Lemur are spotted, that is arboreal, which lives on the trees, not on the land. There is a flying squirrel. There is arboreal gliders. That means arboreal glider. It is present on the trees. Then bobcat, that cat-like carnivore. It is dog-like carnivore. That is, these are the common characteristic features related to this one. Apart from this one, Australian marsupials, that is the Tasmanian wolf, as well as tiger cat, as well as marsupial, that is a rat and all. Then apart from this one, banded ant eater as well as kangaroo as well as wombat, that is bandicoot, then koala. Apart from this one, marsupial mole, that sugar glider. So this is Australian marsupial radiation with a common ancestor, one organism. All are different characteristic feature, their function with a common ancestor, with the help of common ancestor, with the help of all are living in one particular area. What is that particular area? Related to common ancestor. In that common ancestor, according to food habits, it dispersal, different habitat and different functions and so Australian marsupial radiation, which are present in one particular area, that is the Australia region only. Australia region means one more very important, the horses may not be dispersal, the horses may not be that evaluated. Even though equus which are present there, it is in that particular region, one among these American region, then it must be evaluated throughout the globe, yes, except Australia region. But according to their particular habitat, among that particular mammals only it is dispersal. So that is regarding related to adapt to evolution and all. So it is very important exam point of view. Once or twice you must remember, you must once again observe carefully, and based on the different types of, already I asked a few, apart from this one few more, you must prepare that one. Then very important in that adaptive as well as connecting some among these misleading, all these, some of these evidences, this you must once or twice you must read. In remaining concept we discuss in next class. Okay, thank you.